She keeps asking the same questions. Where does it go from here? It can't be further down, I reply. If it's nothing to do with fear of change, why don't you change? She said, for the oyster has been open long enough. And then I tell her I'm a big shot in this town. I'm a big noise in town. I make a big noise in this town, so I won't get put down. I'm a big shot in this town. I'm a big noise in town. I make a big noise in this town. I'm a big shot in this town. Put down, make a big noise in this town.